In this video I'll show you a rail glitch for Minecraft 1.20. What you will need is rails, sticky piston, 3 slime blocks, a carpet, a coral, also a lever, a block and observer. So go make a hole with 9 blocks like this and place furnace in there. Next you get a sticky piston and put 3 slime blocks on this like I show you. Get a coral, place it on top, a carpet on the bottom and rails like I place it like this. You can use normal rails or detector rails, whatever you like. Next go and place these 2 blocks, an observer, this and the other direction. And that's already it. Get a lever because it's getting really annoying. But you can see you get hundreds and thousands of rails. You can make it with normal rails too. That's it. Hope you enjoy. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and like this video.